There's got to be more to living than what I've been given. Ooh, you're telling me.
Number 42, Connie Tang over at Jafra, the president of Jafra. She actually helped turn Jafra around. And what we like about her is she is very, very serious about her work. But as an Asian woman, she gives a lot of hope to Asian women who might think about running direct selling companies. Now, we all know of one who just blows everyone out of the water on this topic. But Connie Tang has really helped turn Jafra around and help put in place some really, really good social programs over there at Jafra.